Good evening YouTube, welcome for another video. And tonight we have something special. I have my Mac Mini 2014 I got from Tokyo Recycle Shop for only $20. What you're gonna do, we have regular hard drive here and we're gonna make it maximum speed. We're gonna put the NVMe driver, and we have special converter to use in Mac Mini 2014. And before overdue, let's start it. So what we need, so we can open our Mac Mini and just use this tool. So you got 3 spots here. Okay, and you got my iFixit. You got 1, 2, 3 big screw and got 1, 2, 3 small screw. Okay, let's put it aside. And the regular hard drive, I got 1 terabyte is under here. It's take a time if we want to open this, and if I want to change with the SSD like this, and I need to open this one, I need to open this side, and very complicated to open this side. So that's why the quick way and the micro speed. So I have my NVMe, so I got 250. So I'm gonna leave the 1 terabyte as the file backup. So I got this one from Amazon. It's only cost $10, and this one just put in like this, push like this, and we're gonna clip this one to this side, right? So let's do it. Okay, clip like this. So you got so you put this up, and then first make sure clip. Okay, this clip already, and then we push this down because you got the double tip down just like this, so this stay. Okay, this already in. Let's go. Okay, done, and let's test it out. So let's test, my friend. Put the power and get the HDMI. Okay, after the setup, and because I have NVMe inside and I have a Windows 11 on my NVMe, and in this time NVMe is the default boot, so it boot on direct to Windows. So for that I need to install using the my Monterey, using patcher, open patcher, core, open core patcher. Okay, let's install using the open core patcher Monterey. And then because the default is NVMe, and then I have Windows in, and my keyboard Mac didn't work, so I need to use Windows keyboard. All right, I use Windows keyboard. Then what we can do, we hold Alt key, okay, and push power button, Alt key and power button. Okay, now my USB is showing up. Okay, so let's do the installation. Okay, now we go on the Monterey open core patcher and we push enter, and then we go to install Monterey. Sorry. Okay, we push the utility and continue. Then from the side drop down, we show all the device. So this Samsung, this one have 256 gigabyte. This one is PCI Express. The this one is NVMe, right? So, and you got another storage here. This one is USB. This the installer, and I thought this one is original hard drive, 1 terabyte. This one is already has the regular drive. Then we put on the Samsung. I have this one, the NVMe. When you gonna do the erase, is if we can do restore, is work. Apple HD image. Wait. So from this one, it can we do restore? Let's do restore. First, this Samsung and erase first. Let's make it keep APFS, and then we do Macintosh HD. If this is work, erase. So finally no more errors. So it seemed like the driver. This one is the normal NVMe, and I have another one is the PCIe SSD media. This the work chair. Okay, so let's try to install. Then Monterey, so we have to try everything. So PCIe SSD the only work for this kind of the hard drive. So let's try it. It take like a 20 minutes, and we come back after they finish. Okay, finally our setup will begin. So installation done. let's set up English. Now start download. So install to this in my PCIS EFA reboot, restart. Okay, look fine. Now I do my keys anymore, so I have my own keyboard. It's work, my friend, it's work. Good. Now keyboard setup. Dock. I gonna check the start up this. Open. Okay, this one target this. Restart. So this is the USB external hard drive. So let's see the utilities. Not this one. I want to see utilities. It's not about this utilities. So I have my all, and then this one is, let's erase this, make it like a file. BC backup, file BK backup. Okay, erase it. Okay, work charm. Then now let's install something from the Blackmagic. Blackmagic speed test. Okay, now you're gonna test the speed of the hard drive. First one, we check the original hard drive. This one, open. So original hard drive only consisting, this right, and then read, write and read. Now let's check the target. Now is this one is the new hard drive. Let's check NVMe is 700. Okay, so like a 7 times faster. Then good. So if you see here, you can use for 4K right, the resolution. And here you can use 4K, the pro resolution at this video, and this for writing and read 100 is before is like 239 something, and now is 1100, so 7 times faster. Now if you want to make a video, you can make a 4K video, and if you use for the original one is only 94 megabyte. Now you got 700. But if this one is original installed on the direct to the motherboard, this one is taking like 2000 until 3000 megabyte per second, because this installed on the external hard drive, because second hard drive, because the first hard drive, main hard drive, is the slow one, right, as you see with installation. And if we use the original hard drive, we change with the SSD, and it here is mentioned like 400 megabyte per second, so double from SSD. This is the fastest one. Okay, so if you want to make a video, simple video like 15 minutes, last time I make video 17-minute video, very is 1080p a video, 17 minutes with the simple video. When I try to export it, it's like taking like 17 minutes. So from SSD to NVMe, it will be half. So it can take like 8 minutes or 9 minutes something. Okay, right, so the test today is done. So very good result. Thank you for checking how many power it take to use the Mac Mini. Okay, 20-30 watt maximum. This on the booting 30 watt. So start up only 15 seconds. 34, 22. So okay, if you like the video, don't forget subscribe, share and comment. See you next time for another video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.